Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you or showing you how you can achieve this beautiful fit in braids all by yourself without spending a leg and an arm. You all know that going to a stylist these days is very expensive. So that is why I created this channel to show women around the world how they can actually do their hair by themselves. And also we'll be doing a lot of DIYs in this channel. We'll be doing online business, how you can have a successful online business, or how you can do your lashes, your nails by yourself. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on
So I'll be
anything.
showing some products that I use. Like here, I'm using the Tresemme heat protectant just so I don't get any heat damages because I'm going to be using a blow dryer, which you're going to see later in this video, to kind of straighten my hair. And also I'm using this color. Wow, is a very nice product. Anybody I come across, I always recommend this product because it has really done an amazing job for my hair. My hairs are very hard. Like when I detangle it, I always have problems detangling my hair. But this product just tends to make life easy for me. So if you can get your hand on this product, make sure to do so. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this product down below this video. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure to check it out. So here I'm just detangling my hair with this white tooth comb. So I'm just doing it, and this video is quite self-explanatory. You just need to watch it to the end so you really get what is going on. So this is the blow dryer I was telling you guys about. I don't like using um equipment on my hair without using at least the heat protectant. Like I avoid getting any heat damage of any sort. So that's why, and if you're going to be watching my video, you will see me use a lot of heat protectants. Guys, it's very important to protect your hair. So here I'm going to be using this shine and jam just to hold, like mold the hair in place. So I just want you to watch this video to the very end because that is where you're going to get the details of how you can hold your hair, how you can braid. I promise you, if you watch this video to the very end, at least you're gonna learn how you can part your hair. And mind you guys, I don't even have a mirror, so I'm not seeing the back of my head. I'm still going to get this three-way mirror that I see all our influencers and our hair content creators using. So but here now I'm not seeing my the back of my head, so I'm just doing a guessing job. Although the back of this hair does not look quite professional, but at least it's something you can look at. It's not that bad. So yeah. So while we're at it, let me tell you four major reasons or reasons why you need to learn how to make your hair, or why I decided to learn how to make my hair. Number one, I'm quite tender headed. Like if anybody make my hair, it gets really painful, and I can't withstand braids. So that is why I learned how to do my hair by myself, because I know when to hold the root of my hair tight. I know when to loosen up. So it has really helped me a lot. Before, if I make my like if I braid my hair, I'll have to drink a lot of pain relief so I can be able to sleep at night. But these days, after making my hair, I don't even feel pain like that. So that is one reason why you should learn how to make your hair if you're really tender headed. Number two,
is like I don't really have the time to go to a salon to make my hair because of my kids. So learning how to make my hair has really helped me a lot, instead of always maybe you're always looking your hair is always looking unkept because you don't have somebody that can make your hair for you, and you can't go to the salon, especially when you live abroad. Like when you're in abroad in a foreign country, you know that you don't know a lot of people, you don't have a lot of support, and you have kids. So if you don't have anybody that is going to watch your kids while you go to the salon and spend like 2 or 3 hours in the salon trying to make your hair, knowing how to make your hair will actually save you that time. And it will also bring you like you will not have to take your kids to nobody to look after them. You can literally be making your hair while your kids are there. Like this one, I was making it around. I used the whole night. Like I put my kid to sleep and I started making the hair. It literally took me like 4 hours to make this hair. So, and also I was breastfeeding in between because I have a newborn. So I was doing it while breastfeeding my baby. And the third one is it saves you a lot of money. Yes, when you learn how to do your own hair, everybody wants to save a coin. So learning how to do your own hair would definitely save you a whole lot of money. I promise you. Going to the salon will make it look better and professionally done. Yes, I know. But if you're not going for or if you're not going for any special occasion and it's something that you can maybe just go pick your children up from school or just stay at home with, then making your hair will save you a lot of money. Believe me, guys, like it has really saved me a lot. So yeah, here I was really excited because it was the last braid, and I think the time here was around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. I don't know, but I was really excited. Imagine taking. I didn't even know I was gonna finish it, but I did. So yeah, learning how to make your hair will really boost your confidence, and it will make you feel good. At least your hair is gonna be looking neat all the time. And so I just want you to watch the video to the end so you see how I achieved this beautiful braids. And don't forget, if you're interested in learning how to have a successful online business, how to do drop shipping, because I've done some businesses online. I've sold some. I do have a hair company where I sell wigs. So if it's something you would like to learn, please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be dropping the tea. Like, I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks that will help you in real life. Like, I'm not going to keep anything. I'm going to be sharing real life tips and tricks that you can apply in your daily, like you can apply in your life, and you're going to make money off social media. If you want to go into content creating, you want to start a YouTube channel, you just want to be online, you want to make an online presence, then subscribe to this channel and make sure to turn on the notification bell. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned one or two things that is going to really help you in future. So, thank you for watching, and also please leave a comment below this video what type of video you would like me to do, what you would like me to teach you. And yeah, thank you. See you guys in my next one. Bye.